Welcome to the special edition of Neurology News Network. I'm Marco Meglio. Please excuse our appearance this week as a majority of the U.S. workforce, including the Neurology Live team, moves to working remote as we come together to help reduce the spread of the novel coronavirus. Nearly 1 month after filing its biologics license application for its investigational Alzheimer's disease treatment aducanumab, Biogen has announced that the FDA has accepted the application with priority review, setting a Prescription Drug User Fee Act target action date of March 7, 2021. Although the review is already on an accelerated track, the agency said it would act even earlier if the circumstances warrant it. The FDA also stated that it intends to soon hold an advisory committee meeting related to the application for the investigational human monoclonal antibody. If approved, aducanumab, previously known as BIIB037, would become the first treatment for reducing clinical decline in Alzheimer's disease through its mechanism of selectively targeting aggregating forms of amyloid beta, including both soluble oligomers and insoluble fibrils. PTC Therapeutics has announced that its investigational agent risdiplam has received FDA approval for the treatment of spinal muscular atrophy under the brand name Evrysdi. The agent is indicated for at-home oral administration of a liquid formulation in patients aged over 2 months and older. The agency's decision was made based off the findings of 2 clinical trials in risdiplam's development, the Firefish and Sunfish studies, both of which demonstrated the efficacy of the survivor motor neuron 2 directed RNA splicing modifier in this patient population. Risdiplam treated patients achieved key motor milestones such as the ability to sit without support and experience preserved vital function and improved survival without the need for permanent ventilation. According to the full data publication from the Phase 3 Asclepios trials among patients with multiple sclerosis, treatment with 20 mg subcutaneous injections of ofatumumab is associated with lower annualized relapse rates than with 14 mg oral tablet of teriflunomide. All told, the ARRs for patients with MS were reduced by 51% in the Asclepios 1 and 2 trials respectively, with both differences achieving statistical significance. The Asclepios studies found that ofatumumab produced a significant reduction in the new inflammation as well as fewer clinical relapses and progression events. That was a quote from Stephen Hauser, director of the UCSF Wheel Institute for Neurosciences, professor of neurology at the UCSF School of Medicine, and co-chair of the steering committee for the Asclepios 1 and 2 studies. He also added that ofatumumab represents a potential new option for RMS patients with greater efficacy compared to teriflunomide, a comparable safety profile, and the convenience of once-monthly self-administration without the need for infusions. For more direct access to expert insight, head to neurologylive.com. This has been Neurology News Network. Thanks for watching.